All right, for this problem, again, we're talking about domain and range from multiple representations. So number 3 says the mapping below represents all of the points on the graph of a function f. What is the domain of f? So remember, the domain is all of the possible inputs, all of the possible x values. The range is all of the possible outputs, or all of the possible y values. So when you have a mapping, we map from x to y, which means this first oval over here represents all of our x values, which would be the domain. So now we need to figure out which choice over here lists out our x values, our domain, and it's letter A. -5, 3, and 5, those are the 3 possible inputs for this function. So those are the 3 x values that make up our domain. Number 4, we're looking at a graph. So function f is graphed below. What is the range of the function? So remember, for the range, that's all of your possible outputs or all of the possible y values. So what we need to do is we need to find our smallest y value and our biggest y value. So if we look here on our graph, the smallest y value is -3, so I'm just going to label that there. And it has a closed circle, which means it's included. And our biggest y value, I'm going to go up here, is 6. Again, it has a closed circle, which means it's included. All right, now we need to figure out what the correct answer is here. So it's range, so we know we're going to have y as our variable. So A and B we can completely cross off because they have the variable x. X is the domain, the range is y. So here we have -3 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 6. And that's our final answer, letter C.